Action verbs. What is an action verb? A verb is one of the most important parts of the sentence. It tells the subject's actions, events, or state of being. It is always found in the predicate of a sentence. A verb that shows action is called an action verb. These words are examples of action verbs. Develop, drove, trembled, sleep, run, speak. Can you find the action verb in each sentence? Let's try it. Number 1. The girls dance in the recital. The verb used is dance. Yes, that word is an action verb. 2. Our mailman drove a funny car last week. The action verb drove. Yes, that word is an action verb. Let's try another sentence. Number 3. His teacher wrote the answers on the board. Wrote. Yes, that word is an action verb. Let's try another sentence. 4. Alice worked on her homework last night. Work. Yes, that word is an action verb. Let's move on. Present verbs. An action verb that describes an action that is happening now is called a present tense verb. Example, the bird flies through the sky. The word flies is a present tense verb because it is happening right now. Many present tense verbs end with s, but some end with es or ies. Examples: slips, splashes, cries. Past verbs. Verbs which tell about actions which happened some time ago, or past tense verbs. Examples: the dog wanted a bone. The word wanted is a past tense verb because the action has already happened. Many past tense verbs end with ed, but some end with d or ied. Examples: clap, played,
That was a very good try.
tried. Future verbs. Verbs which tell about actions which are going to happen are future tense verbs. Example: we will awaken at 6 a.m. Will awaken is a future tense verb because the action has not yet happened. Future tense verbs use special words to talk about things that will happen. Will, going to, shall, aim, to, and etc. Examples: going to start,
Well, when you figure it out, email me.
shall email,
You are really enjoying this, aren't you?
will enjoy. Helping verbs. A helping verb works with a main verb to help you understand what action is taking place. Example: Elmer was using the computer. Helping verbs. Examples: may, might, must, be, being, been, am, are, is, was, were, do, does, did, should, could, would, have, had, has, will, can, shall. Other things to keep in mind. Not every sentence will have a helping verb with the main verb. When you see an ing verb such as running, be on the lookout for a helping verb also. Sometimes there is another word which separates the helping verb from the main verb. One common example is not, as in, the boy could not find his socks. The helping verb is could, and the main verb is find. A sentence may contain up to 3 helping verbs to the main verb. An example would be, the dog must have been chasing the cat. The helping verbs are must, have, and been. The main verb is chasing.